Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Peach, I could Khmih, but Kikubo, Baman Kasmi.
Uhek All India Congress Committee ubadai Khmih ka jilla Meghalaya o Manish Chatrath mantaka sngiu lo wan poi shapo ka jilla hakasien ka baning kong kumunong pet ya ka jilla na ka binta ban yathir ban pen klanya ka party hapo ka jilla ya ka jing pinyang buram yo Chatrath lawan ya shimbenta da baro ki MLA bat kumjuru MP hakajingelam unong yalam kalyang persha o Dr. Mukul Sangma Habakran hakani ka sngi na kalyang Dr. Mukul loong bawat lau Manish Chatrath ulawan bun sien hapo ka jilla Henry kani ka sien ka baning kong ulawan kum unong pet ya ka jilla Meghalaya. Hakajing si siya umut banwan ha ubanay no pra mancim snem Henry na marba ki kambam la akyar ulawan man penjila ni katarik hadu menta ka sngi loong Dr. Mukul. Shushu Dr. Mukul leyathu bakani ka jingwan Manish Chatrath ka day na kabenta ki kam jong ka party kum juru na kabenta banyakran halor ka jingjiet President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Khmih. Kidan buon ki mat jong ka party ki bakta ki imlang salang bade ki paj ba ka jilla bat ka thain na mingi bat na kalyang ka MPCC la ni ka Aicc ka bade ka party ka basngap yo paj ba kan syong la shai ka sngi na ka benta ban yathir kumnu ban le khnang ba ka sarkar jilla ni ka sarkar Khmih kan sngoy ka jingut upaj ba laban biang Dr. Mukul. Habadai ba ka jingjiet PCC President Khmih na kalyang Dr. Mukul ulayathu banadu menchim snem u President ba mentau Dr. Celestin Lingdo ulapan pawe ka jingkwa her shukino jong u ban na kalyang ka MPCC hadu menta kadang syong ban perkhat sani bha na kabenta ban thung President da ubat Khmih. Habakali halor ka jingpan pau ki we ki MLA ban kershani ba Charles Spring Rope kung President Bathamai ka MPCC na kalyang Dr. Mukul loong bakani ka de ka kam yeng bat baro ki don hok ban pan pau ka jingkwa jongki Henry ka MPCC kan hab ban shong perkhat sani bha hashwa ban jiet da u ne ka President Bathamai jong ka MPCC.
Mr. Manish Chatrath is our in charge. And when we say our in charge, he represents the Honorable Congress President. And after he has been vested with this responsibility, December was the month when he wanted to pay a visit. In fact, though he has visited Shillong and Meghalaya a number of times earlier in different capacity, but as in charge it would have been a maiden visit. But we somehow deferred the timing, so he has indicated that January first fortnight will be more appropriate, and therefore he is here with all of us. We'll interact, we'll follow up with number of issues which are before us. The issues pertaining to the issues at the national level, the issues pertaining to the issues which are of regional nature, meaning the northeastern issues pertaining to different parts of the northeastern region, and also the issues pertaining to the state of Meghalaya, vis-a-vis our political strategy, which of course we will not share with all of you. But obviously, as a party, how we respond to a given situation and fulfill our purpose as responsible political party. Every political party in our given democracy is required to keep the larger interests of the people and the state before anything else. So that is how we will be approaching. And on number of issues, how we should be proceeding further, how we should strategize in a manner that help the state and protect the interests of the people in the state. So all these things, since he's our new in charge, it's important for him to get acclimatized, though he is aware of number of issues, since he is in Aicc and he used to be in the whole, I must say, the control room of Aicc, and then he has been visiting the state along with other in charge, his predecessors, to be more precise. Therefore, he is more or less acclimatized. But as we know, there are dynamics of politics, and issues which keeps on unfolding as we march ahead. Therefore, this exercise is a continuous exercise. And we will also look at how to see the strategy which is considered appropriate for further strengthening our party. In a democracy, strengthening political parties is very crucial. If political parties who are given the mandate and assume the responsibility of the governance is strong, then the state is going to be strong. That's what I used to always share with everyone. So nobody should say that, okay, strengthening the political party is none of their business. It's everybody's business in a democracy. So I think it is therefore important for us to do all that is necessary to strengthen our political organization, our political party, Indian National Congress, which has withstood the test of time and is on in circulation, and we are there to serve. Thank you. Must be able to read between the lines. When we are talking about strengthening the party, it revolves around it. It encompasses everything that is considered what is to be done. So one important thing which I shouldn't share with you, but I'm tempted to share, is that our PCC president, Dr. Celestine Lindo, has expressed his desire to get the approval of the High Command, the Honorable Congress President, to get him relieved. In fact, he has been speaking to us for quite some time. It's not just now, November, December. But anyway, we are all required to shoulder our responsibility as long as possible. So he has been requested. But the fact is that we are looking at how collectively we decide to see if he has to be relieved and how best we can do that. Those are in natural expected line of discussion. I think you can understand that.